Hi everyone, today I will show you different types of text in Weblow. So first we click Add Elements and we go to Typography, and here we have like a different types of text we can use inside our website. So first we have a heading. So heading we use for titles. You have different types of headings, H1, H2, H3. I will choose H1 for this. And now we will choose a paragraph. So paragraph we use for like big text we have in Webflow. For example, let's say we want to say something about our company. For that we will use a paragraph, and we will use text block for sentence that has like one or two words inside of it. For example, we can use text block as a heading label. I will show you an example now. First, let's align this to the left, and okay, this is good. Now we will use this text block as a heading label. Let's give it a class heading label, and let's make this. Let's say this section is about some company or about us section. We will give this heading label. We will call it about us, and heading in, and for title let's say what we do, and here is a text that says what we do and about us data. And now you can style this however you want. You can play with like margin or padding, or you can add some styling. Here everything, you just play around with it. And these are like three basic type of text we can use in Webflow. And now we have a text link. We can use it to add a link to the text, or there is a different way we can use. We can add a link inside a Webflow, and that's a link block. Link block is just wait a second. Okay, here is a link block. Let's say if you want to add a link inside a title, we can put a link block here, and we can use heading and drag it inside a link block. And now we can add a link inside this title, and we can also style it. For example, if we want to remove this underline, we just go to decoration and click none. And this rich text we use when we have blog posts with CMS implemented in the website. And that's all. These are all types of text we can use inside of Webflow.